the magnetic chess set with 40 stones. And this game is compact, it's sleek, and it is so ready for chaos. This one, instantly, you're going to be addicted, you're going to be competitive, and you're going to be loud in all the best ways. We played this last night, and it was insane. So these magnetic stones are strong enough to stay in this little bag. You can bring it anywhere, outdoor tables, car rides, on picnic blankets. Easy grab and go game. The whole set literally packs in here. You have extra string. You have some extra ones here, but I just tied a knot, a nice neat knot on the end, and we just laid it out. Every piece goes back in the bag, which is so nice. Okay, the rules are very simple. Kids, teens, adults. You can even play by yourself. You could play anywhere without having to set up a full board. So I laid the string out in any shape you want, a circle basically. There are 40 of these, so what I did, there were 4 of us, so each person got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's just pretend here I'm the first person. And what we did is we went clockwise around the table and we just put one down. You can feel when you touch the 2 magnets together, the positive and negative charge, okay? So let's say that we had all went our turn and this was the setup of the game. You just put it anywhere, okay? Put it anywhere. Okay, so that picked up. So you would take this now and then the next person would go. And you are trying to avoid the magnet catching the magnet you're laying down. Some of them have the positive charge. Some of them have the negative charge. You're not going to know until you literally put it down. And it is so fun. So the person that wins is the one that has no magnets left in their hand. And they have won the game. But this magnetic chess game, it's addictive, it is portable, and it is perfect for family nights or outdoor hangouts. If you want a fast strategy game that works for every single age group, this one doesn't require a gigantic table or super complicated setup. This one is going to earn a spot in our game night rotation. It is so fun. You try to outsmart each other with the positive and negative charges. It's really fun. I highly recommend it. Magnetic chess.